Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Good. Today we are going to play about body parts. Okay?
Okay.
So, do you guys know vocabulary about the body parts?
No.
No.
Okay. Nose. What else? What is this? What is this? Nose. What's this?
Nose.
First one is nose.
Han.
Hand.
Hand.
Everyone hand. Then, what is
Feet.
Feet. Yeah. Others? What is this? Okay, now I have a game for you guys. So today we are going to play game Boom and Clap. We are going to play related to body parts. Now here's what you do. I'm gonna choose two of you to come forward, and then when I say a specific body part, you have to touch that body part. Okay? Then after a few times, I'm gonna order you to pick one of these things if I say so. For example, touch your hand. Hand. Everyone. Touch your ears. Ears. Touch your knees. Knees. Okay. Then touch marker. Like that. For example, okay. Okay, let's start. Anyone who wants to be a volunteer?
I volunteer.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Hilmi. Who's the other volunteer?
Fauzan.
We need two volunteers.
Mahathir.
Okay. You can guys have some rock paper scissors first to make it fair. With Mahathir.
Rock, paper, yo.
Yeah, you guys too.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
You lost.
Okay, he volunteered then. Okay, touch your touch yourself. Chest. Touch your teeth. Touch your cheeks. Touch your hair. Touch your knees. Touch your eraser. Okay. Next. 3 rounds.
Okay.
Do we get prizes?
Yes, after the class. Touch your eyebrows. Okay. Touch your neck. Neck. Don't give yourself. Okay. Touch your forehead. Touch your finger. Toes. Where's toes?
This is my
Toes. Yeah. Touch your hip. Hip. Where's hip? Hip. Touch your belly. Touch your marker. Okay, class. Thank you for all participating. We close by saying Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ulang tadi agak ini belum siap. Tengok dekat aja.
Yeah. Okay, class. We're gonna close our meeting today by saying Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I chose this fast-paced grabbing game because young primary learners thrive on active competitive play. By replacing classroom objects with body parts like head, shoulders, and nose, it builds fast auditory listening skills for beginner English learners through total physical response. It keeps energy high while reinforcing vocabulary effortlessly.